It is always said that the best way to start and end a day is with a grateful heart. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I choose to be grateful. I choose to be thankful.
Amigo.
As we close our month-long celebration of the fiesta of this beloved city of Tanay, I would like to thank first and foremost the strongest pillar of the local government unit of this thriving, progressive, and beloved city of Tanay, atong tagaan sa pinakakusog na palakpak kay gidala niya dire libre wala tay bayad, our Honorable City Mayor Jose Pepe Orlino. Salamat kaayo, Mayor. Sunod, lain na pong banda atong ipamaray nga dalon diri haron punta Malingaw. I would like also to thank the wind beneath my wings, the different chairmen and members of the various events and committees that compose the 2024 Tanay City Fiesta Directorate. Thank you for listening, accepting my suggestion and reminders. Bisag dili ko taga LGU, taga laing kong agency, but ni sanong ragyod mo nako, and with that, I will be forever grateful. To all my fellow Tanhayanons who were with us from day one up to this day, ang niaras Tanhay, ang gikan sa laing nasod o laing lugar nga taga Tanhay, nga nipauli to experience Fiesta de Tanhayanon Way. Tanan nga mga dumuduong, thank you for sharing the conviction that we Tanhayanons prefer to celebrate the peaceful and momentous way. Dili gyud talayhag kagubot, dili gyud talayhan og samok, kaya nga atong gusto malingaw ra gyud. Am I right? Yes, so malingaw ra gyud. Wala ra gyud kagubot nga mag-apil-apil diyang dapita. I would like to thank also my DepEd family. Ang among mga labaw sa DepEd, my kapamilya in the Department of Education, particularly Tanay City Division where I belong, who believe and who has the same belief with me that the local government unit is the strongest ally of the Department of Education. And so, any assistance that we can provide and we can give to that strongest partner, dili gyud kabalibad ang DepEd. To my family for the support, to my husband, Tito, nga sige yung gakuyog na ako gikan sa day 1 abot sa katapusan. Salamat kaayo, Dad. And finally, to the Lord Almighty, with the intercession of our patron saint, Senior Santiago Apostol, nga gikan gyud sa pagsugod hangtod karon, blessed us with very fine weather, with the opportunity to celebrate and conduct all the events nga wala gyud mga dagko kaayong obstacles and struggles. Naay mga ginagmay pero gapasalamat ra gyud mi kay safe ra gyud ang tanan. That is the dilemma of being part of the directorate. As we formally close the 2024 Tanay City Fiesta celebration, as the Director General, allow me to say, we close this chapter with a very grateful heart. I said I choose to be grateful, I choose to be thankful, and I will always give my assurance to the local government unit that as long as my services and my support will be needed, I will always be here. To God be the glory. Congratulations to the 2024 Tanay City Fiesta Directorate. Palakpakan nato ang 1,000 men and women. Bali mong yun yung dagkana no, nga na-involve, who give their all, their passion, their sacrifice, and their support para ragyod mo succeed ang tanang activities. Salamat, salamat from the bottom of my heart. And I will say, in a few minutes, let us enjoy what is in store for all of you as we culminate the month-long celebration. Thank you very much. God bless
Tanay City. God bless all Tanayanons and God bless us all.